Hi everyone! Today's tutorial is going to be how to curl your hair with a curling wand when you have really long hair. First, you want to use a heat protectant. Very important. I love this one from Aveda. Aveda is a great company with natural products. So you just want to get a little bit, and then I'm just running it through the front of my hair first because that is where I see a lot of damage. You want to make sure you run it through the full length of your hair because if you're going to curl it all the way to the top of your head. And don't forget the ends because that is also another spot that gets a lot of damage. And then just take a brush and run it through your hair. Then I'm going to be using this styling foam from Aveda as well, just to help hold the curl. I'm going to run it through all the length of my hair before I start curling. Then I'm going to start in the back, split it into two pieces, and then start at the back of the head. I find this was easier. And you're just going to take about 1/4 inch pieces, I would say, depending on how curly you want your curls or how much time you want to take too as well. This took me maybe 30 to 40 minutes, honestly, but it was worth it. It looks so beautiful in the end. So you want to start at the top and then wrap it the length of the wand. So you're starting at the base of the wand, just like I'm doing here, and then wrap it all the way down to the end of the wand. Hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. Sometimes I would hold it up to 35 seconds, depending on how curly I wanted that curl. I curled it more tightly the further up to the head I got, the further to the front of the head. So this is how you want to do it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you like my content, I do all kinds of hairstyles and tutorials and also, stuff about long hair and DIYs as well, and a little bit of makeup. So there is one half done. I did the other half off camera. This is how it looks before brushing. You want to wait a few minutes for the curls to set and then just very lightly run a brush through your hair. And this is the results. Isn't that so beautiful? They're just super modern and I just loved how it turned out. I don't curl my hair too often, so this was super fun. I'm so happy to have done it for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.